Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change your password on the account section on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky application and then click on these three lines up here and then click on the settings, and next go to the account. Here you will find the password. So as you see here, you can request code. The code will you will receive the code here, and here you're gonna add new password, and that's it. That's how to change your password easy and quickly. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it. See you in the next video.